Hello students, how are you? In last video lecture, we discussed about the concept of buffer solution. Okay, the buffer solution means the solution which resists to change the pH by addition of strong acid and strong base, also water. Okay, in this video lecture, we derive the expression that is Henderson and Hasselbalch equation for acidic buffer and basic buffer. Henderson Hasselbalch equation. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for calculating pH of acidic buffer and pOH of basic buffer. Okay. Now let us start the first derivation for calculating pH of acidic buffer. Let us start the derivation regarding calculation of pH of acidic buffer solution. These are the two expressions or derivation regarding pH of acidic buffer and pOH of basic buffer. Now, let us see. The example of acidic buffer is, it is mixture of weak acid, that is you already know, CH3COOH, and its a salt, याचा salt with strong base पासून CH3COONA. This is the example of acidic buffer solution. Okay, now I am writing the dissociation. आता हे एका बॉटल मध्ये घेतले म्हटल्यावरती dissociation होणार बरोबर. हे if I am taking this two in one bottle or one beaker, the dissociation process is start. Now my first point is that is CH3COOH. It dissociated it as CH3COO minus plus H plus. Okay. Now I am writing two arrow because this is the weak acid. You are already know this is the weak acid, and weak acid are partially dissociated. Weak acids are not completely dissociated. Weak acids are partially dissociated. So if I am taking 1 mole of acetic acid, then it dissociated it as 0.02 mole of acetate ion and 0.02 moles of H plus ions. Okay. Then these ions also combine to form acetic acid. So reversible reaction takes place in case of weak electrolytes. Reactant converted into product and product is get back into reactant. Okay. Now in case of strong electrolyte, that is sodium acetate, CH3COONA, I am writing here only single arrow. Point to be remember that I am explaining that. So what is our dissociation value? That is CH3COO minus plus Na plus. So this is the salt. It is formed by a mixture of weak acid and its strong base. Weak acid, acidic acid plus strong base NaOH पासून तयार झालेला आहे. दोन पैकी एक तरी स्ट्रॉंग असेल तर ती गोष्ट स्ट्रॉंग झाली, 100% डिसोसिएशन. दोघांपैकी एक तरी स्ट्रॉंग असला तर तो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट स्ट्रॉंग झाला, 100% डिसोसिएशन. हे वीकच आहे, ह्याचा 100% नाही. तर दोन वीक ऍसिड आणि स्ट्रॉंग बेस, एक गोष्ट स्ट्रॉंग आहे ना, 100% dissociation takes place. Means if I am taking 100 moles of sodium acetate, it will produce 100 moles of CH3COO minus plus 100 moles of Na plus. If I am taking 100 moles of CH3CONA, final reaction is 0. No, 100% dissociation झालं म्हटल्यावरती शेवटी 0 राहिले ना, सगळे पैसे 100 रुपये होते गेले. But in that case it is weak electrolyte. Out of 1 mole 0.02 mole will be dissociated. Okay, so this is the strong electrolyte because it is formed by a mixture of weak acid and it's solved with strong base. एक component तरी strong आहे त्यामुळे सिंगलच एअर दाखवणार. सो इट विल ओनली डिसोसिएशन होणार, पण असोसिएशन होऊन रिएक्टंट कडे येणार नाही. ओनली रिएक्टंट टू प्रॉडक्ट, प्रॉडक्ट टू रिएक्टंट येणार नाही, 100% डिसोसिएशन आहे म्हणून. ओके, याच्यानंतर देन we want to write the dissociation constant for weak acid. Dissociation constant is given by letter Ka. Point to be remember that we have to write Kc. Kc is equal to C raised to C into D raised to D divided by A raised to A and B raised to B. Okay, in that way, so we have to write dissociation constant for weak acid, that is in bracket CH3COO minus, because concentration always expressed in square bracket, divided by CH3COOH, product upon reactant. Okay, this is the basic data to derive the expression regarding pH of acidic buffer by using Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Okay, now I am erasing that, so this part I am remain as it is, this part don't erase, but above part I want to erase. Now if I want, this is the equation for calculating pH. So pH means pH depends on H plus ion concentration. pH depends on H plus ion concentration. So I want to take H plus ion concentration to the left side. I want to take H plus ion concentration to the left side, because pH depends on H plus ion concentration. So H plus ion मी left बाजूला घेतला. So equation will becomes what is the equation for this Ka? Okay, Ka into CH3COOH divided by CH3COO minus. Okay, K into CH3COH divided by CH3COO minus. Now, by applying logarithm negative log to the base 10 to the both sides, by applying negative log to the base 10 by both sides, let us clearly tell us that to both sides, we finally get negative log to the base 10 in bracket H plus ion is equal to negative log to the base 10 in bracket Ka into CH3COOH divided by CH3COO minus. Okay, now आता हे आता एक अंशाच्या बाहेर आहे म्हटल्यावरती ह्या प्रत्येकाला लॉग अप्लाय होणार. सो आय वांट टू राईट हिअर ओनली नेक्स्ट स्टेप आवर इक्वेशन इज log to the base 10 H plus ion is equal to negative log to the base 10 into Ka, then minus negative log to the base 10 CH3COOH divided by CH3COO minus. Okay, now our next step is, okay, so before erasing that I am explaining you it once again. So we want to calculate pH of acidic buffer solution in H plus ion will be taken to the left side. So equation will becomes K into acetic acid into divided by acetate ion. Then by applying negative log to the base 10 to the both sides, negative log to the base 10 in bracket to the both sides. So negative log to the base 10 K minus log to the base 10 this. Okay, then our next step is really very important to us. Because this step clears all our doubts. So negative log to the base 10 means negative log to the base 10 H plus ion concentration is called as pH. This is the definition of pH. Negative log to the base 10 molar concentration of H plus ions. Called as pH. So I am writing here directly it is pH. Okay. Then negative log to the base 10 K negative log to the base 10 K is equal to pKa. pKa. आता हे असं pK काय नसतंय, म्हणजे काय आहे बघा, हे K मीन्स डिसोसिएशन कॉन्स्टंट फॉर वीक ऍसिड्स. ओके, हे मायनस लॉग टू द बेस 10 म्हणजे ते रिअलिटी मध्ये काय ऍक्च्युअल मध्ये का रेफरन्स बुक मध्ये मी स्टडी केले. मायनस लॉग टू द बेस 10 म्हणजे हा पी फॅक्टर आहे. मायनस लॉग टू द बेस 10 हा पी फॅक्टर आहे. पी फॅक्टर. So that's why I am calling it as minus log to the base 10 P. P for potence, that is equal to pH. Okay, so pKa. Okay, I think you get my point. pKa. Okay, minus log to the base 10. So CH3COH, it is acid or base? It is acid. So I am writing here it as acid divided by acetate ion CH3COO minus, it is ion, so I am writing here ion. Okay, no, because point to remember that in dissociation our previous example, that is CH3COO Na plus, sorry, Na, it gives CH3COO minus plus Na plus. I am before explaining you I want to tell the reality concept, that is 1 mole of 1 मोल ऍसिडिक सोडियम ऍसिडेट घेतलं तर 1 मोल ऍसिडेट आयन मिळणार, 1 मोल Na प्लस आयन मिळणार. मग हे आयन कुठनं आलेत, ह्याच्यापासून आले. हे कोण आहे, दॅट इज इक्वल टू सॉल्ट. सोडियम ऍसिडेट इज सॉल्ट. सो विथ रिप्लेसिंग ऍसिडेट आयन आय एम रायटिंग इट इज अ सॉल्ट, इट ॲज अ सॉल्ट. शेवटी सोडियम ऍसिडेट 100% डिसोसिएशन झाले. CH3COO हे आयन आले सोडियम ऍसिडेट पासून. सो आय एम याच्याऐवजी मी हे 1 मोल आहे, 1 मोल हे बॅलन्स इक्विलिब्रियम मध्ये, म्हणून मी 1 मोल इक्विलिब्रियम मध्ये नाही, 1 मोल आहे, त्यामुळे मी याच्या आयनच्या ऐवजी लिहिलं सॉल्ट. ओके, सो दिस इज द अवर नेक्स्ट स्टेप इन दिस इक्वेशन. नाउ आय डोंट वांट टू नेगेटिव्ह साइन देयर, सो इक्वेशन विल बी pH इज इक्वल टू pKa प्लस सॉल्ट. रिशफल होणार, सॉल्ट वरती गेलं, सॉल्ट divided by acid. Salt divided by acid. This is the Henderson log to the base 10 राहिलो. pK plus log to the base 10. Salt divided by acid. This is the Henderson equation for calculating pH of acidic buffer solution. pH of acidic buffer solution. Okay. pH is equal to pKa plus log to the base 10. सॉल्ट वरती गेला, ऍसिड खाली आला, सॉल्ट डिवाइडेड बाय ऍसिड. ओके, दिस इज द Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for calculation of pH of acidic buffer solution. Now let us move to the second derivation, that is calculation of pOH. Calculation of pOH, second derivation regarding calculation of pOH of basic buffer solution, because base contains OH minus ion and pH means it contains H minus ions. Basic buffer solution, basic buffer solution. Okay, so in that way we have to take an example of basic buffer solution. You are already know what is the example of basic buffer solution. It is mixture of weak base, that is NH4OH, and its salt with strong acid, that is NH4Cl, NH4OH plus NH4Cl. It is the example of basic buffer. Now I am writing it in 2 steps. I am taking NH4OH plus NH4Cl in this beaker. So NH4OH, it dissociated it as NH4OH, it reversibly dissociated it as NH4 plus OH minus, because NH4OH it is a weak electrolyte. So weak electrolyte reversible reaction is 100% possible. In case of strong electrolyte, only irreversible reaction is possible. Okay, so NH4OH will form NH4 plus OH minus, and NH4 plus and OH minus combines to form NH4OH. Now our second step is NH4Cl. NH4Cl, it is a strong electrolyte, it is salt. Please remember that it is formed by mixture of weak base NaOH, weak base, that is NH4OH, and strong acid. I am writing here NH4OH plus strong acid HCl. Okay, so one component it is really very strong, so product is strong. एक component जरी strong असला तरी हा जो सॉल्ट आहे तो स्ट्रॉंगच असणार आहे. स्ट्रॉंग आहे म्हटल्यावरती 100% डिसोसिएशन. So irreversible error are there. So it will dissociate it as NH4 plus Cl minus. Only irreversible reaction is possible because it is strong electrolyte. If I am taking 100 moles of NH4Cl, it will produce 100 moles of NH4 plus and 100 moles of Cl minus. After dissociation total 0. dissociation 100 होते, सगळेच गेले. 100 NH4 आणि 100 Cl हे सगळेच गेले, शेवटी 0 राहिले. 100% डिसोसिएशन. पुन्हा हे कंबाईन होऊन हे मिळू शकत नाही, कारण की हा स्ट्रॉंग आहे. कशावरनं स्ट्रॉंग आहे? कारण की तो मिक्सचर ऑफ वीक बेस आणि त्याचा सॉल्ट विथ स्ट्रॉंग ऍसिड HCl पासून आले ना. ते दोघांपैकी एक कंपाऊंड जरी स्ट्रॉंग असला तरी तो जो प्रॉडक्ट आहे NH4Cl हा स्ट्रॉंग आहे. Then so we have to write dissociation constant. This is the base. This is the base. So we have to write Kb. A for acid, B for base. So Kb is equal to product upon reactant. So product is molar concentration of NH4 plus into molar concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of NH4OH. Concentration of NH4OH. This is the dissociation constant for weak base. Okay. Now, which value we want to take to the left side? This or this? So answer is OH minus ion shifted towards left side because we want to calculate POH, and POH means concentration of OH minus means POH. Negative log to the base 10 molar concentration of OH minus ions. So we want to take OH minus ion to the left side. OH minus ions to the left side. So equation will becomes Kb into CH3, not CH3. It is a NH4OH. Why I am confusing here? NH4OH divided by NH4 plus Kb into NH4OH divided by NH4 plus, because OH minus I want to shift to the left side of this equation. Now please remember that I am changing here only. So I am writing here OH minus remains as it is equal to Kb. So NH4OH it is basically NH4OH it is basically a base. Weak base. So I am writing here it is base. Okay. Now NH4 plus ions means, so as I said you earlier, NH4Cl it is strong electrolyte. It is formed NH4 plus and Cl minus. 100% dissociation takes place are there. Okay. So if I am taking 1 mole, out of 1 mole it will produce 1 mole of NH4 plus ion. So instead of writing, this is the ion. So instead of writing ion, I am writing it as a salt because this is comes from NH4Cl because stoichiometric coefficient nearly same. 100% dissociation takes place. याचा एक मोल घेतला तर 1 मोल NH4 प्लस मिळणारच आहे. हा आयन आहे. मग एकला एक बॅलन्स आहे म्हटल्यावरती आयन लिहिण्याच्या ऐवजी मी आय इन्स्टेड ऑफ रायटिंग आयन आय एम रायटिंग हियर इट इज सॉल्ट. ओके. I am writing here it is salt. Now, by applying negative log to the base 10 to the both side, we get, by applying negative log to the base 10 both sides, we get negative log to the base 10 OH minus ion is equal to negative log to the base 10 in bracket Kb into base upon acid. So what is our next step? So hopefully this will you understand. I am erasing that. Then our next step is negative log to the base 10 OH minus ion concentration means negative log to the base 10 OH minus ion concentration means POH. That is the definition of POH. Negative log to the base 10 molar concentration of OH minus ions. So it is called as POH is equal to negative log to the base 10 Kb. Next step is negative log to the base 10 Kb minus negative log to the base 10 base divided by acid. Now in that way, negative log to the base 10 Kb means pKb. This is the P factor. So pKb. Kb means dissociation constant for weak base. So what is our next step? POH is equal to pKb minus log to the base 10 base upon acid. प्लीज स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट प्रत्येकाला ऍड करा, मी राहिलेत माझ्याकडून. देन ओके, I want to positive sign must be there, so I want to change the equation pattern. So we will get POH is equal to pKb plus log to the base 10 acid divided by base. So this is the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for calculating POH of basic buffer solution. Okay, now please take a screenshot of this equation because it is really very important for solving a number of numericals regarding pH and POH. Okay, so in this lecture we studied the two formulas. Regarding calculation of pH of acidic buffer solution. So what is the formula? pH is equal to pKa plus log to the base 10 salt divided by acid. Okay, then second formula for calculating POH of basic buffer solution is equal to POH is equal to pKb plus log to the base 10 salt divided by base. These are the two very important formulas to calculating pH and POH for acidic and basic buffer respectively. In this lecture we studied, I think in our syllabus it directly gives the formula regarding pH and POH for calculating acidic buffer and basic buffer. Directly formula दिलेला आहे, but I am telling you how it is come from and what is the derivation of Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Okay, so in this video lecture hopefully you understood this video lecture. In next video lecture we studied the next point, that is equal to, I think, mechanism of buffer solution or buffer action. Thank you.